catch flights, not feelings.
We're going to the airport. We'll be talking more in my vlogs. I want us to all be winners. I know, ball. This is me packing. Hey, it's me, April. Just calling to say I've been good. Yeah. Yeah, totally basking his grace as always. Anyway, how was your week? Oh, mine? Actually, I think I'll just show you. Hi faves, hi friends, how you guys doing? It's been a minute. The girl has been hibernating, but she's out of her shell now. How are you guys doing? As you can see from the title, it's about to be a hectic one, but it's going to be a very exciting week as well. Got a lot to do, but yeah, I'm actually late, like 5 minutes late for an appointment. I'm going to do these nails, so I gotta rush, but I said I have to do my intro first. As you can see, I already did my hair. Yeah, just gonna go to the salon to do my nails. Go back from doing the nails. We like it. I like it. I love the length. It's not too long. It's pretty cute. It's demure, you know. It's giving like demure. Okay. I realized that I didn't properly introduce the vlog, so here's me doing that after going to do my nails and coming back. Welcome to a new vlog, and it's been a minute. I took a minute, actually like a whole month, off all my socials. So if you're new here, should have said this long ago, but if you're new here, welcome. If you're with the family already, subscribed, sis, bro, welcome back, because I missed you guys. Not even gonna lie, I hadn't picked this camera up in like over a month, and we back. Good. That's why there was no vlog last month. I'm trying to do a lot of new things this year. A lot of new things henceforth. Trying to do a lot of new things henceforth in terms of my content. Trying to do a lot of new editing styles. Probably did in this video. One thing I really want to do, and I'm gonna promise you guys, I'm going to be talking more in my vlogs. So I realize I don't talk a lot in my vlogs. I mean, you guys seem to like it when I talk. The little times I talk, so I'm going to talk more. But yeah, aside that, I think it's all round gonna be better if I do, because of the reason why I even started this channel in the first place, mostly to inspire others. I mean, you know, the girl is full of the word of God, so it's kind of, yeah, that. I'm just gonna let my light so shine. Oh, I have a sticker behind my phone that says "Let your light shine." Let me show you. It's mirrored. Maybe I'll mirror it for you guys to see, but let your light shine, Matthew 5:16. So henceforth we are letting our light shine, just like the sun needs to be shining right now. Actually no, because the sun has been too much nowadays in this country. I have so much in store for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned. If you ain't subscribed, do, because what are you doing? Probably the next thing you're gonna see is me out tomorrow with my friends, because I don't think I have much to do. Ooh, I do have to pack. I'm gonna be packing tonight, only because tomorrow I'll be out, and Friday I'll be out, and might be out on Saturday. I have to do what I gotta do now. Yeah, bye. Wait, look at the nails one last time. Oh damn, child of God. Okay, bye guys. Good morning, my neighbors. How are you guys doing? I mean, obviously I didn't pack last night like I said I would, but that's because some plans changed, and yeah, I was pretty tired. So good morning. But I mentioned I was supposed to go out with some friends today. Initially, we were supposed to go out around this time, which is 12. But, oh, so it's not morning, sorry. Good afternoon. There's some stuff we had to shift the time. But time wasn't settled on 12. We'll go around 3. And we're going to go bowling. So because of that, I decided that, oh, since the time has been moved to later today, since I'm tired, might as well just do the packing today, like now. So I'm already on that. Like, this is me packing, like packing. So I also have to kind of make sure that I'm not going to wear any stuff that I'm gonna need for the trip, because I won't have time to now do my laundry and dry it up and everything. I did my nails at First Choice Hair and Beauty. I'm sure you guys are in school. I gave them, I think they pretty much did what I asked. But if you look closely, it's more yellow than it is white. It's like a pastel yellow. I remember like having to like kind of say, no, this isn't the color, this is the color. I kept adding like different shades until we got it. Because in life you have to ask for what you want and get what you want. Don't just say, oh, but it's okay, else I would have been hating these nails. But yeah, I love them. I've been wanting to do this color. Anyways, messy room is because we're packing, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later at the bowling alley. That's a bowling arena area. Goodness, bowling alley.
Little fragrance collection. I know exactly the scents that I love, and that's one of the best. This is like a favorite. First bowling game. What do you have to say?
I don't think it's recording.
It is. Oh, now look at me. What do you have to say?
There's just how many left?
Don't worry.
Look, they've raised the gutter for you. They've raised the gutter for you guys.
Guys, look. Look at his advantage.
How's that advantage? Now the real truth.
Guys.
The real truth. See. Don't worry. Play.
Oh, wait. Okay. So I didn't use it. Okay.
Go another.
What more can I say? Damn.
Lying ancient on my J's lip, taste be tainted, poison water in the basin. If you relate, then please don't wait before you're locked and caged in. I need some space like 100 acres.
You should have seen the one before this. All this while, his has been going through the gutters. He said he wanted the gutters down, right? But see,
See, so it wasn't me. I was not the one using the gutters. It was him. So who is playing for me?
Yeah, the one playing. Go.
No, I want us to all be winners. Oh, I'm serious. Can I go and play one? Oh, I'm serious. Let's play. Redeem yourself.
Llamas trying to drive me down, man. Stand by just watching the world unfold in canvas. In calmest forest, throwing deadly hand signs. It's like the lamp glow, illuminate darkest corner shadow. Count the blessing, gonna be stepping clouds to travel back home. Goes on,
When you got a zero over here, you should got a zero over here. She said that. What we are expecting here. Grand finale. Da, da, da. Let me take a picture. Wow!
Doing a video.
No, but that's just an intro. The one with the song. Guys, I can't talk for long because of copyright. I just want to say that I won the game. Guys, Tony kicked. How can you do that though? He kicked you guys. Can you imagine? Say sorry for kicking them. So mean. I won despite of having these nails, and it was my first time. I told you guys I was gonna win. So let's play mini golf. So yeah, I won again, and they didn't again. Well, I was second. Yeah, she was second. Ah no, I was second now. I thought you was dating now. He was lying actually. It was mine. The other one said, oh, so it's 29. Ah! What? This guy.
Let me calculate your own self.
Me and crap. Don't calculate my. I did.
Let me do the scores.
Guys, I won. And there's nothing. This one said is too much. I wish that one thing had happened. Nanka, I would have gotten 27. Tony is in denial. Yeah. Guys, Tony was supposed to get 30.
This is not the real scores. The real scores is on my calculator. You are 31, it's 29.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Adding to us. Can you imagine? When he was calculating. I know ball. We're going to the airport. And as duty serves, April never finished doing her lashes, so I've done only one, as you can see. Yeah, this is the last eye right now. Tell them see you at the airport.
See you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, follow. I don't know everything.
Follow. Just subscribe, guys. OOTD time. Testing the mic. 1 2 1 2. Currently at my gate, and you can see I don't board until like maybe an hour, so just came early because mommy, say hi. Mommy is on a different flight, so mommy's flight is leaving. No, mommy's boarding is earlier than mine. Yeah, so we're just hanging around, and yeah. I'ma just say this for the people in the back. Catch flights, not feelings. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end this vlog here. The travel prep vlog has come to a close, but we are going to transition into the travel vlog from here. See what I did there? This isn't goodbye. This is just, I'ma call y'all back real soon. So make sure you tune in for the next vlog, which is going to be dropping next week. Turn on post notifications. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you liked the video, like it. If you didn't, unlike it, so I know you didn't. I mean, is it unlike? Charlie, don't like it, or do that sign button. Yeah, and do share it. Actually, I want to do something where I want you guys to take a screenshot if you wish, if you don't mind. I want you to take a screenshot or a video and just like repost to your stories on Instagram or repost to your TikTok stories, whatever, and just tag as April is so far, and let me see those who really do be watching, especially till the end. Yeah, because you know, when you watch to the end, it actually helps a whole lot, because you add to watch hours and so on and so forth. Anyways, do that. Let me see the real OGs. I might have a surprise for you when you do that. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna see you guys when I see you. Until the next one, which is next week. Okay, bye.